Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Nitecore NM01. Now I was sent this by NitecoreStore.com. They wanted me to test and review this light. Now this is considered the budget-friendly light from Nitecore, so this is going to still give you that quality, but it's not going to be a very expensive light. Get 1,000 lumens on this light. Has a built-in 2600 milliamp battery. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up to see what's in it. And everything is underneath the light. You get a clip as well as a lanyard, and that's it on there. You get a user manual. Now since the writing is so small on this, I'm going to go ahead and post the specs here on the screen now for you. Be easier for you to read. But you got 1,000 lumens on the highest output on this light. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and show you it does come with a USB charging cable. Does come with a holster. Holster is a pretty basic design for Nitecore, so it does have a double stitched flap that covers the head, so that's nice, so the light is protected all the way around. No elastic on the side, so this is a perfect fit. D-ring, of course, put that on your belt loop as well as strap it with the Velcro as well. And I'll show you with the light in it later on in the video. Of course, you get the Nitecore warranty card. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Now this is a very compact light. So as you can see, really a compact light, fits in your hand very easily. Hold that securely, and here it is. I'm going to show it to you up close. Got some knurling here, knurling on the tail, but it's not super rough, so the body does have a little bit of roughness, but I don't think it's going to prevent any kind of slippage. So if you're wearing gloves, it might still slide out, or the possibility of doing so. So it's definitely more for cosmetic. And here on the tail is the charging port. Feels really good, tight in there, so hopefully no water gets in there. There's the tail switch to turn on the light and go through those light outputs. Style and design on this is very nice. Machining and finish on this is excellent. Got a little bit of flat areas here, almost like a bolt pattern, keep it from rolling. And we'll put the clip on there and show it to you later. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the reflector in the LED. That's a smooth reflector. This is running the Cree XP-L HD V6 LED. Try to get close up there for you. Alright, so normally I would take the battery out, show you the springs, but unfortunately the batteries inside the light cannot be changed. But it is a 2600 milliamp 18650 that's in it. So I'll go ahead and take this time to show you the light in the holster. before I put on the clip. And that's what that looks like. Fits it perfectly. No issues there. You got a little bit of extra room here on the sides, as you can see. That'll keep that head from getting scratched up or wearing against your clothing. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the lanyard on this as well as the clip. And that's what that looks like there. Pretty heavy duty, and you can remove it. You don't have to have it on there. I just like having the best of both worlds with the lanyard as well as a clip to be able to carry this with. Lanyard is really nice sized. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the light. What that looks like there. Nice size on the lanyard. Alright, so now let's go ahead and go over the UI. UI is extremely simple and easy to use. Now when you want to check the battery level, so you got 3 levels there. Of course, this is between 70 and 100%. If it blinks one time when you first click the button, let you know your battery level ahead of time before you turn it on. Definitely want to charge it, but 3 blinks, it's fully charged. And press and hold, turn that on. Keep clicking the light afterwards. 3 levels of light output. 1,000 lumens on that. Beam is nice. It's got a nice hot spot here. On the larger side, does have a lot of bleeding here before it goes to the spill. What it looks like there. A lot of light coming out of here. Click that again, it goes back to the lowest light output. No special modes on this. Super easy to operate. There's no strobe or anything like that. So you're going to be able to just turn it on. Great for everyday carry. It does have a little bit of a style of a tactical light as well, but it is compact. Alright, so let's wait no further. Let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nitecore NM01, and we're going to get started here. See how this does. It's the lowest light output there, and that's 35 feet from where I'm standing. Kind of see faintly making 65 feet out there to that tree. There it is on the fence. So we're going to go to the next level here. Spill has come alive. Nice light output here. We'll go to the Tree of Life. It is making it, as you can see there, 138 feet from where I'm standing to that tree. Nice beam. Color temperature is nice as well. And it is faintly making it across the park at this medium light output. 65 feet to this tree here. There it is on the fence. So we have one more light output. So we're going to go ahead and try it now. There's 1,000 lumens. 35 feet to that water spout, so 138 feet. Look at the beam on that. Not bad at all. Now this doesn't have a huge amount of throw, but you're going to get at least 190 feet. You got 138 feet to that tree there, and it is faintly making that tree behind there, as you can see. So that's 238 feet from where I'm standing, so a little bit farther than the 195 that Nitecore says. As you can see across the park, no issues at all. We'll do a beam profile here. Very impressive performance on this, especially for the price point. Faintly making those trees back there. So probably about 200 feet. Well, maybe a little further with that, just by what I'm seeing. But definitely good light output up to 200 feet. Before, after. All right. We'll end it here on the Tree of Life. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive. Not too bad, especially for the price point. This is selling for under $40 at the NitecoreStore.com. With my discount code, it's going to help you save some more money on this. Definitely very nice performance, especially for the price point. You're getting a full kit, comes with the battery, so you're ready to go basically after charging it right out of the box. A lot of light coming out of this, definitely for practically any use. Plus it's small enough to carry on you, and you probably forget it's even there. But definitely a nice idea for Nitecore to start getting in on the budget end of lights. Plus it's really nice to see Nitecore making a budget light for people that don't want to spend, more than $50 on a light. Now this particular model, you cannot take the battery out. I really wish that they made it to where you could, because of course all batteries have a lifespan, so depending on how often you use it, so on and so forth, it really depends, and it usually averages about 2 to 3 years on most lithium cells. So you're getting a quality cell in here, but just not able to take it out and just swap it out. So you literally, when you're done using it, it goes really dim. You got to put it on a charger right away and wait again, rather than just taking a battery out, putting it in, and being ready to go right on the spot. That may bother some people, but if you're using it just here, there, as an everyday carry and use it periodically, this is a great idea. And Nitecore has a lot of models, so I'm not really putting this one down. Just wish that they had made that battery where you can exchange that whenever you need it. Well, I've got to take my hats off to this. This is nice to see Nitecore making a more budget friendly, not a cheaper light. As far as quality is still there, it's not paying for a huge price tag on that with your wallet. Now I want to thank Nitecore for sending me this kit to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, I'll leave a link down in the description to the NitecoreStore.com, and I'm going to give you my special discount code there on the screen, right about there, and that's going to help you save some money on this should you be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of Nitecore lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.